good day, beloved. Outside in nature, nature is healing. I wanted to make a video on sun gazing, right? In this video, I'm gonna list off the benefits of sun gazing physically, mentally, and spiritually. I'm gonna list off some reasons why you shouldn't sun gaze. That's funny, right? And at the end of the video, I'm gonna teach y'all how to sun gaze correctly. Physically, if you a bodybuilder, if you an athlete, you better start sun gazing. What sun gazing does is it naturally builds muscle. It naturally builds muscle, right? So you can just be chilling in the sun. You naturally gonna start getting a six-pack. It's naturally gonna burn off fats. It's gonna naturally get rid of all the toxins out your body. But say if you working out, right? If you working out and you sun gaze, oh my God. Nobody's seeing you on the court, right? Nobody's seeing you on the field. You're finna be like LeBron, no gas, I'm not gelling, right? Now, for my females watching this, right? When you start to sun gaze, your skin's gonna start to be clearer. You're not gonna have a lot of acne. You're not gonna have none of that, right? Because it gets rid of all them toxins out your body. You're really gonna be really energetic, and just in essence, you're just gonna start to look better, right? Now, mentally, when you start to sun gaze, you just want to start to be calm, cool, collected, you know what I mean? Like really relax. Like you just meditated, like you in a meditative state all day. That's really tough. And spiritually, once you start to sun gaze, you're gonna start your spiritual awakening, right? You finna unlock your third eye. You finna open your pineal gland, you know what I mean? It's gonna align your 7 chakras. I'm gonna make a video on your third eye and your 7 chakras later down the road. You know what I mean? It's just gonna make you happy in general. Just a happy, genuine person. Yo, now I'm gonna tell y'all why y'all shouldn't sun gaze, right? Do not sun gaze if you don't believe in the sun. What I mean by that is, if you think by looking at the sun you finna go blind, or that the sun's finna give you cancer, do not sun gaze. The sun will not mess with you. It's gonna kick your ass tight, John. Like, do not sun gaze. If you don't want smooth skin, do not sun gaze. I got females coming up to me, oh, what's your skin routine? Whatever. I just be like, it's the sun, my baby. Straight up. If you don't want smooth skin, do not sun gaze. This one's important, right? If you do not want to go vegan, do not sun gaze. Oh my God. If you do not want to go vegan, do not sun gaze. When you start to sun gaze, you're going to start to be aware of the energy going through your body. So when you first sun gaze, right, your energy is gonna be at a high vibrational state, right? So say you sun gaze and now you got a high vibrational state, and you go inside and you eat a burger. That high vibrational energy is gonna go back down to where you started, and you're not finna like that, and you finna start eating healthy, and you finna start to go vegan, straight up. So that also goes with losing weight. If you don't want to lose weight, do not sun gaze, bro. If you don't want to get that unnatural fat at your body, all them toxins out your body, do not sun gaze. I'm telling you, don't do it. Lastly, if you don't want your third eye to be open, if you're scared of your third eye opening, you don't want to see the world the way it really is, don't sun gaze. Straight up. Now I'm gonna teach y'all how to sun gaze correctly, right? It's way more than just staring at the sun. It's way more than that, right? I'm gonna teach y'all how to do it. This is from my beginners. Like, y'all never sun gaze before. This is like y'all first time type jump. I'm finna show y'all, right? First, you gotta prepare. Like, you gotta get comfortable. You gotta get relaxed. You gotta be ready to receive the life energy and the information the sun is about to give you. How you do that is you gotta take 3 to 5 deep ass big breaths, right? You gotta suck it in. Like, pause, but like, you know what I mean? I'm finna show y'all, right? Boom. Once you do like 3 to 5 of those, once you do that, then you're ready to receive the sun's energy, right? So the first time, this is y'all first time, right? First time, you just finna stare at the sun for 10 seconds. Boom, once you're done with that, close your eyes for 30 seconds. Just focus on your breath, and boom, you're done for the day, right? For me, I've been doing this for a long time, so I can stare at the sun for 15 minutes. But it's a process. You got to build up, right? It's like going to the gym. You're not finna put on 405 on the bench without training for it, right? You got to train for this. Another thing, right? This is just like the gym. When you work out, right? You're not going to see results in like the first day. It's going to take a couple of weeks or something like that, right? Same thing with this. You might feel energetic for the first day, but to really see the full results of sun gazing, it's going to take like a week or two, all right? With that being said, it's Mike the Chosen One. Go get y'all some sun. Be good.